Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Computing series. In the previous video, we had discussed about data center virtualization for a cloud computing. And today we'll be discussing about data center growth and cost breakdown. See, big data centers have thousands of servers while smaller ones have hundreds. Yes, that is, large data centers contain thousands of servers while smaller ones have only a few hundred. Yes, building and maintaining data centers is getting more expensive over a time. That is, the cost of setting up and running data centers is increasing every year. Yes, see, breakdown of costs from 2009 report. See, almost one third of the cost is spent on hardware like servers and storage devices. Then 33% is spent on cooling systems. That is, keeping servers cool takes a big portion of the budget, about one third of the total cost. Then 18% is used for a backup power. That is, nearly 1/5 of the cost is spent on uninterruptible power supplies to prevent power failures. Yes. The next is 9% is spent on air conditioning. That is, cooling the air inside the data centers takes up about 9% of the budget. 7% covers power distribution, lighting and transformers. That is, a small portion of the budget is used for delivering a power, lighting and transformers. The next is, see, about 60% of the total cost is spent on maintenance and management. That is, more than half of the budget is used for keeping everything running smoothly, including repairs and management. See, over 15 years, the amount spent on power and cooling has grown 3 times, yes, from 5% to 14% of the total cost. Yes, moving to the next, that is low cost design philosophy. See, expensive high-end switches or routers are too costly for data centers. That is, fancy powerful network devices are very expensive, so data centers avoid using them. Right. The next is, high bandwidth networks are not economical for cloud computing. Means super fast networks cost a lot and are not affordable for large cloud systems. See, instead data centers prefer commodity switches and networks. That is, they use basic low cost network devices that still get the job done. Yes. Next is, see, they choose a regular x86 servers which are much cheaper than a large and old style mainframe computers. This software handles important tasks like network traffic balancing. That is, software controls how data moves across the network so it flows smoothly. The next is fault tolerance. That is, if something breaks, software helps keep everything running without crashing. Next is expandability. Means it's easy to add more servers whenever more power or storage is needed. Yes. See, Ethernet is the main network technology used in nearly all cloud data centers today. That is, most cloud data centers use Ethernet. Yes, a common and affordable network type to connect everything, right? See, in a simple way, instead of buying expensive hardware, cloud data centers use affordable, widely available equipment and rely on a software to manage performance and reliability. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights on cloud computing, and also check out our playlist for more in-depth topics. See you in the next video.